Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Outdoor Masters women's fleece jacket, brought to you by Run Run Deals. Run Run Deals has a really amazing app where if you download it, you can get access to a lot of really awesome offers on really cool products, a lot like the one that I'm about to show you guys right now. So it comes in a really nice bag. Oh my gosh. It is so incredibly soft, oh my goodness, and it's like a navy blue it looks like. Really great quality, you guys, and it says Outdoor Masters embroidered there, so really nice. Okay, I am loving what I see so far. Really amazing quality. And then once you open it up, oh my gosh, guys, the inside is covered in like a fur, and it is, could literally fall asleep in this. That's how soft it is. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so let me put it on real quick. I got a size small just for reference and a really cute branding. You guys, absolutely love this. And it has double pockets on the side, which are so nice on the inside, nice and smooth, sort of like a satiny material, if you can see. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a cute, stylish jacket. Absolutely love it. It's so warm and cozy on the inside. It feels so soft, like a blanket almost. Like, I love this. Outdoor Masters jacket from Run Run Deals.